Hello internet friends. Today it looks like we're going to be building the vertical stabilizer spar. I'm about 3 weeks behind on the videos. I'm actually on the rudder right now. But the videos I'm about 3 weeks behind. I'm hoping that I can catch up and then release each one the day that I do it, now that I have a PowerShell script that basically combines all the videos, and then I just need to add, 5 minutes of commentary. This is what takes a lot of time, is looking at all the parts, deburring each little hole. You basically have to scrape off any little tiny burrs of metal, because when you stick a rivet in there, when you're flying a plane, if you have a burr in there, it basically acts as a little saw, right? So it will eventually crack the aluminum, and you don't want that. You don't want cracks while you're flying. You need no cracks while you're flying. That's how you stay in the air. There's a spar doubler, and I actually am noticing right there that there's a 1/2 inch bend in the spar doubler. I actually emailed Vans and said, hey, my spar doubler is bent. Actually, I'm right here on the phone emailing them. I sent them a picture of the 1/2 inch bend, and they replied back and said, don't worry, that's normal. It's part of the manufacturing process for that spar doubler, and go ahead and just rivet it together and it'll be fine. So since they said it'll be fine, I said okay, and we went ahead with that. And there I am using the drill press. Later I learned, you don't need to use the drill press for everything. The hand drill actually is a lot faster, works better, and if your hand is steady, then you get just as good results. But the drill press is cool, it makes a super accurate hole. More deburring. Some of the parts come with part number stickers on them that you have to peel off, and it leaves an adhesive residue, so you gotta clean that off. Again, with the drill press, eventually I figure it out. The problem with being 3 weeks behind on these videos is I totally forget what I was doing, or what my thought process was while I'm building this. I started actually writing down notes so I could basically reiterate my thought process out loud, and when I go back and watch this, or anyone else watches this, they can learn along with me. When you see me looking off screen there, I actually have a monitor with the plans that shows you how to put everything together. So I'm studying the plans and trying to figure out if I'm doing this right. Oh, finally I get the hand drill out. The other thing is that plywood over there that I'm using to drill into is actually pieces of the Vans case. It actually makes pretty good sacrificial wood. There's a lot of wood parts that you need to use to just as supports while you're drilling or making other parts. And the Vans case actually is a good source of cheap plywood for that. Alright, the hand drill is much faster than the drill press. And here's my son. He's coming out to see what's going on, try to figure out how to use some clecos, show him how to match drill. Have a good one, guys.